Chào mừng các em đến với kênh Just for Kids.
And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
remember to subscribe for more videos.
Here and there.